OneCNC CAD CAM Made easy. In this example, I'd like to demonstrate how you can select geometry by layers. If we take a look in the lower right hand corner, you can see we have two layers within our layer browser. We have a holes layer and we have a profile layer. Now if I'd like to select all the geometry on the holes layer, all I need to do is just check the little square. Once I've done that, all the geometry on that layer has been selected. At this point, we can do whatever we'd like. For example, we might want to change the color. So let's go to our Alter command, and why don't we change this to a green? I think that looks good, so I'll click OK to that. And there we go. You can see now the geometry's been changed. Let's do the same for the profile layer. I'm going to select all the geometry on the profile layer by clicking on the little square. And once we've done that, I'm going to go back into our Alter command, and this time I'm just going to change the thickness of the geometry. We'll click OK to that, and there we go. We've easily selected the geometry on that layer. OneCNC CAD CAM made easy. And don't forget to click the subscribe button.